National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Morris County, northwestern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cathetown, or near Allentown, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Forks, Emmaus, Northampton, Quakertown, Percy, Wilson, Bedminster, Washington, Hellertown, Nazareth, Tinicum, High Bridge, Clinton, Bath, Harmony, Oxford, and Alpha. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 42 and 67. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 46 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 16. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Here is the Steuben and Glendon. Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 310, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, and Somerset, and the following marine locations: coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Mercer County, southwestern Somerset County, southwestern Middlesex County, east central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Flemington to near Hellertown, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Allentown, Bethlehem, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, North Brunswick, Ewing, Princeton, Byram, Bedminster, Jamesburg, Hellertown, Flemington, Tinicum, Cranberry, Clinton, Pennington, New Hope, Hopewell, and Ferndale. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 9. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 60 and 71. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 13 and 18. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 71 and 74. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
County, Monmouth County, Middlesex County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near North Brunswick Township to Plainsboro Center, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement. Several reports of trees and wires down have been received from Lehigh, Northampton, and Hunterdon counties with the passage of these storms. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Sandy Hook, Somerset, Lakewood, Middletown, Old Bridge, Howell, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Marlborough, Manalapan, Ewing, Teton Falls, Holmdel, Princeton, and Red Bank. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 10. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 11 and 34. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 64 and 75. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 90 and 126. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Outer waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 6 p.m. At 4:30 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located over central New Jersey, moving southeast at 25 knots. These storms will approach the coastline and move over the waters at around 5 p.m. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Seagort Reef, Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Belmar, Atlantic Highlands, Manasquan Inlet, Monmouth Beach, Seabright, Axel Carlson Reef, and Sandy Hook Reef. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Here is the forecast.